Hi guys, it's me, and today we're talking about a projector that prioritizes performance, stability, and long-term value over flashy marketing. This is the Epson PowerLite L520W long-throw 3LCD laser projector, and it's built for environments where dependability matters more than trends. Right away, the overall build gives off a professional feel. This isn't a compact lifestyle projector meant to move from room to room. It's clearly designed to be installed, aligned, and trusted to work day after day. The clean, functional design fits perfectly in classrooms, offices, meeting rooms, and training spaces where technology needs to stay out of the way and just do its job. One of the core advantages of this projector is Epson's 3LCD imaging system. This technology delivers equal color and white brightness, which means the image stays vibrant even at high brightness levels. Presentations look balanced, colors don't fade, and text remains sharp without distracting artifacts. This is especially important when displaying charts, documents, or educational material where clarity is critical. Brightness is a major strength here. The PowerLite L520W is designed to handle rooms with ambient light, whether that's overhead lighting or daylight coming through windows. You don't need to turn the room into a cave to get a usable image. Everything stays visible and readable, making it ideal for real-world work environments. The WXGA resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio is well-suited for productivity. Slides, spreadsheets, and documents display naturally without awkward scaling. This format is widely used in professional settings, which means compatibility is rarely an issue. It simply works with the content people use every day. A key benefit of this projector is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, there's no need for frequent bulb replacements. The laser system is designed to maintain consistent brightness over thousands of hours, reducing maintenance costs and downtime. For schools and businesses, this is a big win. Ceiling mount support makes the PowerLite L520W a great choice for permanent installations. Once mounted, it stays properly aligned and ready for use at all times. This adds convenience and ensures consistent image quality without constant adjustments. Connectivity is practical and reliable. The projector integrates easily with laptops, desktops, and other presentation devices. Switching between sources is quick, and the system feels responsive during use. This simplicity helps keep meetings and classes running smoothly. Color reproduction is accurate and comfortable to look at for long sessions. Whites are clean, colors remain well-defined, and skin tones appear natural. This matters more than people realize, especially during extended presentations or lectures. Fan noise is kept under control, even during extended operation. The projector runs quietly enough that it won't interrupt conversations, lectures, or training sessions. It's a small detail, but it makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. The menu system is intuitive and easy to navigate. Adjusting settings, managing inputs, or making quick image corrections doesn't require technical knowledge. This makes it accessible for shared environments where multiple people may use the projector. While this model can be used in a home environment, it truly excels in bright rooms and professional spaces. Large screen presentations, instructional videos, and live demonstrations all benefit from the strong brightness and stable image quality. Overall, the Epson PowerLite L520W is a projector built for people who value reliability, low maintenance, and consistent performance. It doesn't chase trends or gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on delivering a dependable viewing experience that works every time you turn it on. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite L520W long-throw 3LCD projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.